Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create burger hat and dress to impress for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can wear this for hat and then we're going to change the pattern. Okay, and wear this bucket hat and color it green. Okay, this is for the lettuce. And then we're going to wear this baseball hat and color it yellow. Okay, and the last one, we're gonna move to this area and wear this item. And then I'm going to color it red. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create burger hat and a dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.